Hey friends, who's hungry? Get ready to transform your burger game with a smash burger sauce that's as unforgettable as the burger itself. In a medium mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of ketchup, ¼ cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, and 2 dashes of hot sauce. Whisk the wet ingredients together until the mixture is smooth. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, ½ teaspoon of garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of sweet pickle relish. Stir until the ingredients are evenly mixed throughout. Drizzle the sauce over the top of your favorite burger or use as a dipping sauce for French fries or onion rings. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.